Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common dock maintenance for the iRobot Roomba Plus 405. If you're interested in the 405 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, on the dock here, you'll notice at the top we have a dirty and clean water tank clearly labeled. Those are removable. And then right here on the station with them removed, you have a little hole right here. That's going to be a drain. So make sure that that's always free from obstructions. And you want to keep an eye on these three ports up here to make sure they're also free from obstructions. Then looking at the clean and dirty water tanks, you'll want to make sure periodically that you rinse the clean water tank out. Not much more to it there, but that's going to be what you'll want to do for the clean water tank. And then this little guy might come loose in shipping, or if you're moving that around, so you can put him back where he needs to be in there, just like so. So that's a clean water tank. Every once in a while, if you feel like it, you can rinse that out. Dirty water tank, highly recommend every time after use, you empty this tank to prevent any odor from building up. Also, if you want, you could add a little bit of Listerine or mouthwash in here. That will help keep that odor at bay. So it's always a nice tip if you don't want to do that every day or every time you run it, and you want to let that water sit for a little bit. You'll thank me for that later, because once you smell it without that in there, boy, oh boy, yeah, you never want to go back to that. Moving along, right here at the center, this is where our self-empty is, where we have access to our vacuum bag, and we can just pull that out of the way. Empty remove is needed. We have a channel in here. You can make sure that that's free from obstructions. Where it self-empties, you could grab some compressed air in here to clean that out. You have an extra vacuum bag for storage. Not much to this area besides swapping your vacuum bag as needed. And then further down, again, we have our self-empty right here, so you can keep an eye on that with your fingers and make sure there's no obstructions in there. Same with the charging contacts. And then at the base station, this is not removable. This plate isn't. You think this insert would be. They have this teeny tiny section that you can remove. You can rinse that out. Any debris that builds up should collect right there for you, and then you can wipe down everything else. But kind of comical how tiny that is compared to other models where you have that full tray that pops off to clean. It's just that tiny little section. The ramp is removable if you wanted to remove that. No big deal there if you wanted to give it a deeper clean. And then at the bottom here, we do have some Phillips head screws. If you want to ever peel that cover off and check for any clogs, you have that option down here as well. They're not locking you out of the station by any means. Overall, very simple and straightforward to take care and maintain the station. It basically does all the work for you.